Welcome back to my channel, you guys. If you are new, hello, my name is BlancaEstela, and if you're not, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna be reviewing AOA Studios. AOA Studios. Shop Miss A's new AOA Studio Glow Baby Illuminating Drops. These are so cute. When I heard they were gonna come, I was like, what? Because girl, for this set, it's 5 of them. You only paid $5.55 for the set. So yeah, so this is what they look like. Super cute. And I'm gonna read to you guys what it says in the back of the packaging. Glow Baby Illuminating Drops. Illuminating liquid drops to customize your ideal glow. Dab on a few drops to the high points of your face for a reflective glow, or mix it in with your favorite liquid foundation for an all-over baby glow. Now, if you guys didn't know, Shop Miss A have a paw program, and what this means is that with this purchase you help protect animals in need. Visit shopmissa.com to learn more about the Paw Animal Charity Program. Thanks for your support. So what the Paw program is, they have several products in there, and when you buy products that are with the Paw program, money from the purchase goes to the program, and the program helps animals, so you know, against animal cruelty and stuff like that. So that's why I also was excited that this was going to be in their animal charity program, because hello, I love animals. So yeah, so we're going to be reviewing this. I already did my eye makeup, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply some underneath my foundation first, like on the high points, just to see how that looks under the foundation. And then I'm also going to put some on top of the foundation. So I'm going to put some underneath the foundation on this side, and then I'm going to put some on top of the foundation on this side, and then I'm just going to use different kinds to highlight my nose and my cupid's and stuff. And to really put this to the test, I'm going to be using a full coverage foundation. So yeah. Okay, so this is what they look like out of the packaging. They are so cute and so tiny. Okay, so I think under my skin, I'm going to be under my foundation, I'm going to be applying the white, and the pink one look a little bit too light for me. So I can probably use those as a base for an eyeshadow, like a shimmer eyeshadow, or I can use those as an inner highlight or a brow bone highlight. So I'm not going to use those on my face today, but I will swatch them for you guys. They are in a glass bottle. See how tiny they are? Can't even grab them right. The pink one is in the shade Sugar Glow. And then the white one is in the shade Holograph. Okay. You guys can see a lot of product actually comes out. Damn. So I'm just going to go ahead and put some on my hand. Ooh, that is really pretty. So this one is in the shade Super Glow. Yeah, Super Glow. Did I say Sugar Glow? It's Super Glow. Sorry. And then this one is Holograph. Okay. Just gonna do the same thing. Wow. That is super holographic. Can y'all see that? I'm just gonna go ahead and rub them in. Okay, so super cute. Under my foundation, I'm gonna be applying the darkest one, which is called Goddess. So that's this one right here. That's, I'm gonna go ahead and put it right here. And then I'm just gonna blend it out with my finger. I think I put a lot, but girl, that is really pretty. And I did prime my face, so okay, I'm just gonna see how this looks. I'm gonna close it because you know something can happen. Okay, now I'm gonna apply my foundation. I'm gonna be using CoverGirl's A True Blend Matte Made. I did do a review on this. If you guys want to see it, I will link it down below, but also I'll link it on the screen somewhere. So you can go ahead and click it. I'm gonna go ahead and put this all over my face. Like I said, this is really, did I get some on me? Really full coverage. So this is going to really see how glowy these drops are. Okay. It's like my new wig. It's still blonde, but it's a little bit darker. It's like a brownish blondish. Brownish blondish. I really like it. Can you guys still see the highlight? I can't. I know you guys can see it on camera, but in person, the highlight is still there. I'm gonna add my concealer. And of course, it's my Shape Tape. Okay, so I set my face. And you can still see a little bit of glow. It's not as intense as it was, but you can still see a little bit of it. No glow. Yes, glow. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to apply the same one. Yeah, I'm going to apply the same one on top of it. And then I'm also going to apply the same one on the side that doesn't have any highlight at all. And I'm just going to blend it out with a beauty sponge just to see how that looks. Put a little bit on. So this is the shade Goddess, the one that I use underneath my foundation. I'm going to be grabbing a beauty sponge. It's not damp or anything. And we're just going to pat this in. Ooh. Girl. That is really pretty. What I also like about it is that even though I'm putting it on top of a powder, it's not getting cakey or anything, which I hate that so much. But girl, that's not happening right now, which I really, really love and appreciate. I'm gonna pat it in one more time. Oh, that is so pretty. So this is the side that already had the illuminating drops underneath my foundation, and I put some on top of the foundation, and it looks so pretty. I'm gonna grab another shade. I'm gonna put this back in the packaging because then I'm going to drop it. So I have two more to try. I'm going to try the next darkest one on this side, which is called Afterglow, and it looks like this. And I'm going to do the same thing. I do want it thicker, so I'm going to add more droplets like that to blend that out. This one is a little bit more poppin' than this one, but it's still really pretty. I'm going to add another layer. Okay. That is really, really pretty. I know I like both, so I'm going to be using both of them. But I do feel that this side, which is the shade Afterglow, is a little bit more wearable. Like, not wearable, but if you're looking for an all-time natural, I guess you can say. Well, for me, it's going to be like a natural one because it kind of blends in with my skin tone. This one's a little bit more brighter. But, yeah, I like them both. I like the other ones. I like the swatches of the other two. But, okay, so I have one more. This one is in the shade Morning Glow. And it is just one of the lightest goldish shades. But it's not that light. So that's that one. And this one, I'm going to use it on my nose. Cupid's bow. Chin. And yeah, I think that's it. Okay, so I'm going to be using the same sponge. Girl, we're going to be glowing today. I'm going to add more to my nose. Although I do feel like I'm adding too much, but it's okay. It's okay. Okay. We're glowy, girl. Damn. So I'm pretty impressed, you guys. I reviewed Clean Colors $1 liquid lipsticks, and these are way better in my opinion. The quality is just damn. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and set this highlighter, and then I'm going to finish the rest of my makeup, whatever I have left to do, and then I'll be right back to tell you guys my final thoughts on the Glow Babies. Okay, y'all, so my camera stopped working. I don't know what's wrong with that. I think I need a new one. But my final thoughts, I do like this little sets, and I do recommend them. I do recommend it to you guys. They were really easy to use, really easy to blend out. It didn't get cakey or anything. I did set it with one of my highlighters, and it still didn't get cakey at all, which I really like. And girl, I am popping. Like, look at this glow. I did put a lot of it on my nose, so that's why it's looks ugly. But that was my fault. I put way too much, and they got really wet. So that's why kind of separate. I tried to fix it, but it got more cakey. So that's a little situation on my nose. But everything else, it looks really pretty. So I do recommend it to you guys. And you know, they're only $5.55 for the sets, which is really cute. So yeah, they're really good for that affordable. So if you guys do try them and like them, let me know. And yeah, and you know, if you guys have anything else from Shop Miss that you guys want me to review, let me know. I like reviewing everything from there because it's really affordable. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, bye guys.